serious concern.
President Gotabaya Rajapaksa says that a devastating situation that could be emerged in the country has been brought under control by implementing COVID-19 vaccination program. Addressing a high-level thematic virtual debate under the theme, Galvanizing Momentum for Universal Vaccination, convened by the President of the UN General Assembly on Friday, the President pointed out that there is a dangerous potential for new strains to emerge, at a time when countries are experiencing global disparity in vaccine availability. The President said Sri Lanka appreciates the generosity of the nations that donated the vaccines directly or via the COVAX program, thereby augmenting the majority of vaccines Sri Lanka bought directly from manufacturers. The President reiterated to state leaders that the best way out of the epidemic is to vaccinate everyone everywhere. I call on all nations to work together to expedite universal vaccination for the benefits of humanity, the President said.
The Chairperson, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, Sri Lanka appreciates the initiative of His Excellency Abdullah Shahid, President of the United Nations General Assembly, in convening this debate. The continuing spread of COVID-19 remains a matter of serious concern for all countries. The emergence of new variants of concern remains a dangerous possibility, while availability of vaccines remains uneven globally. As I stated in my address to the General Assembly last year, ensuring everyone, everywhere is vaccinated is the best way out of the pandemic. Sri Lanka's vaccination program began in January 2021, shortly after vaccines first became available. It was rooted in the principles of preventing mortality, morbidity, and transmission of COVID-19 and maintaining social and economic functions while safeguarding public health goals. We adopted a risk-based approach with healthcare workers, those with comorbidities, and the elderly being prioritized for vaccination. By January 2022, every citizen above the age of 12 has been offered the COVID-19 vaccine, and uptake has been exemplary throughout the country. As of 15th February this year, 95% of the eligible population has received one dose of the vaccine, while 85% have been double vaccinated. 44% of those fully vaccinated have also been provided a booster dose. Despite the pandemic's high human cost, these measures have helped Sri Lanka contain its ravages to a large degree. Sri Lanka appreciates the generosity of nations that donated vaccines directly or via COVAX, thereby augmenting the majority of vaccines Sri Lanka bought directly from manufacturers. I call on all nations to work together to expedite universal vaccination for the benefits of humanity. Thank you.
I thank the President of the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka for the statement just made.
For more latest news, subscribe to FTTV.